Hello everyone. Today we will be looking into the continuation of a previous tutorial on TCC3 IC Engine. In the previous part, we had seen how to mesh the cylinder region till the start of intake port. Today we will see how we extend our topology by addressing the intake port and the valve present at the center. By the end of this tutorial, you should be able to create blocking structure for any intake or exhaust port or similar geometries. Let's empty a corner group, say C5, and add the topmost faces into the corner group and fit work plane to the corner group. Position the work plane a little forward and copy the faces. Reposition the corners to depict exactly like the geometry. Similarly, we extend them a little more forward and the final extension will be all the way to the top end of the port. And rotate the face such that the port is presented just like the geometry. After extending the topology till the port in, let's complete the assignment for the port and valve intersection region and reposition the topology for faster grid convergence. After addressing the valve, we extend the topology to address the curvature of the port. First, we group the corners into a corner group, say C6. And copy them using the work plane, tracing the shape of the intake port. intake port is represented by a single block here. Let's split the blocks by right-clicking on the edge and adding multi-inserts. Once the topology is created, the next step is to check for the assignments. Ensure none of the interior blocks are assigned to the external surface. After completing the assignments, we can notice that the topology has a very severe singularity form. To resolve this issue, we group the corners assigned to the intake port and perform a global wrap. Once the global wrap is done, a fully valid topology is obtained. Now let's run ggrid for around 9000 sweeps and load the grid and check. We have received a 0-4 grid with a skew value of 0.85. We can further run ggrid for it to smooth the grid and reduce the skewness of the grid. With this, we come to the end of today's tutorial. Hope you have learned on how to mesh an intake port of an IC engine. If you have any questions or any comments, feel free to leave it below. If you want us to post tutorials on any specific geometries, you could write to us on support@GridPro.com. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, leave us a like and subscribe to the channel for new videos. Follow us on our social media pages. The links are posted in the description.